Today, we are stripping down a Honda 250cp engine from a scrapped vehicle. Mentioning the Honda 250, some fans might say, "Wait, didn't you strip one down last year?" But actually, this one is quite different. The front drive plate is from Chongqing. Let's take a look at the rear drive plate. It seems Zhejiang has a soft spot for drive plate brackets. See, this one has it too. Let's check the belt. The belt is from Gates, USA. The rear drive plate is also from Chongqing. I forgot to weigh the components. I'll tell you guys later. Look at this cylinder head. Compare it with the Honda 250 I disassembled last year. You'll find that the cylinder head is completely different. The Honda 250 Anniversary Edition engine I disassembled before was in a video posted on May 11th last year. You guys can go back and compare them. First, let's look at its tensioner. It uses a hydraulic tensioner. A hydraulic tensioner is beneficial for extending the life of the timing chain. Check the timing chain. The sprocket is made by Chongqing Duobao. Since it's a Chongqing Duobao sprocket, then no need to check, the timing chain is definitely DID. Because Duobao is the national distributor for DID. From here, you can see the difference from the Honda 250 Anniversary Edition. The cylinder head structure is different. These are the rocker arm shims. Honda owners, does this look familiar? Look, this cylinder head also uses roller rocker arms. The design of the rocker arm is also like this. That's right, this cylinder head was reverse engineered from the Honda Forza 350. Current scooters, whether large or small displacement, as long as they have rocker arms, generally use this roller rocker arm structure. This rocker arm is from Jushing. Because roller rocker arms have a low friction coefficient. Besides being quiet, it also helps reduce fuel consumption. Next, let's look at the camshaft. The camshaft is equipped with a decompression valve. It also only has a bearing on one side. As for the roller bearing used, it is a TPI bearing from Taiwan. Now, let's remove the cylinder block. This isn't a ceramic-plated cylinder. It uses a centrifugally cast steel sleeve. The outer ring has an aluminum surround. This provides better heat dissipation. Let's check the piston. The piston crown has undergone a microarc oxidation process. The piston skirt is fully coated with molybdenum disulfide. It's a cast piston produced by Shandong Jingjing. The piston ring brand is Riken from Japan. And they have a factory in Xiamen. I must say, Zhejiang's engine updates are really fast. Look, the previous version of the Honda 250 engine. It's only been a year and it's already updated. It has an external oil filter. Located on the side, it's easy to replace. This Honda 250 CT is priced at $18,999. Maximum power is 19 kilowatts. Maximum torque is 24.5 Newton meters. It also features the Pingpai system and a youthful TFT instrument panel. The oil pump chain is also from DID Japan. Now we can take a look at the timing chain. I was right, wasn't I? The timing chain is indeed from DID. Let's look further. In addition to that oil filter, which handles fine filtration, there is a coarse filter on this side. It's an oil strainer screen. As everyone knows, I also have a Honda 150 Anniversary Edition. Today, I filled it with 0W20 car engine oil. I've ridden over 4,000 kilometers with car oil. Nothing went wrong. But I don't recommend you copy this. It's still best to use motorcycle-specific oil. This one doesn't have crankshaft bearings. It uses plain bearings, bushings. These are copper-based bushings. Let's check the balance shaft together. Look, everyone. This machine also has a balance shaft. This means the vibrations of this engine shouldn't be too bad. Among 250 cubic centimeters engines, having a balance shaft isn't very common. Let's take out the crankshaft. Look at the parting line on the crankshaft. It's a forged crankshaft. There's no brand on the crankshaft. Likely made by Tianjiang themselves. Alright, remove the connecting rod. Check the rod bearings. It uses copper-based bushings from Dado, Japan. You can probably see the Dado mark. The balance shaft bearings are imported NSK bearings from Japan. The previous Hong 250 anniversary edition used them too. So this isn't a surprise. Same for this side of the crankcase. Now, let's disassemble the gearbox. Let's check the bearings inside the gearbox. Actually, I'm quite reluctant to open the gearbox, because I hate the smell of gear oil. I find it very smelly. Very pungent. Okay, this one inside is a needle roller bearing. From Changzhou. And this? The rear drive plate shaft. This bearing is an imported NSK from Japan. It's definitely imported. It's stamped Japan on it. Look at the other half. This bearing is also imported from Japan. NSK. And this needle bearing is still from that factory in Changzhou. I can't recall the name. Alright, the teardown is complete. Let me give you a short summary. This Hong 250 CT engine is reverse engineered from the Honda 350 prototype. But the materials used are slightly better than Honda's. However, as we all know, Honda has always been excellent at engine tuning. Domestic brands still need to work on this. A hydraulic tensioner is used. And it has a balance shaft. Don't worry about the quality of the materials. After this teardown, I feel like retiring my Hong 150. I'll wait and buy one of these to try out. Alright, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up.